Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I want to talk about, I was watching a video a few days ago with my husband, and the video was about all you could eat buffets, right? And you know, it had me thinking. I had a few thoughts and I thought I would share it with you today, right? My husband and I even had a discussion about the topic, right? Now, it really is fantastic. You pay one price, maybe about $8 or $9, and you go to these places and you get all you can eat. You can eat all that you want, right? Well, of course, there are some people who they will challenge themselves to see how much they could eat, right? There was one gentleman that he ate about, let me see, about 6 full plates, and the 7th plate he left back a quarter of his meal, right? Oh, well and done. For me, I can't handle that. Maybe about 1 plate, you know, is good sufficient for me, right? And there's another gentleman, he ate maybe about 12 plates. I'm no lying, 12 plates, right? Full plates. And he was more like a challenger sort of thing, right? So while this is going on, I'm thinking to myself, you know, I mean, I'm watching other videos where there's a lot of poverty around the world, and you know, people are eating food like, you know, like it's going out of style, you know. I mean, it's good because different lifestyles and stuff. What I also thought about is that what these restaurants will do with the food that are left over. Of course, you'll have leftovers and stuff, right? So I'm thinking that, and my husband and I were talking about it. And while we are talking, the show was going on still. And at that same moment, before I finished what I was telling my husband, one of the restaurants in the documentary was saying that that particular day, on a particular day, they had catered for a certain amount of people, and apparently the people didn't turn out, and they had lots of food, and the food just left over there, you know. So I'm saying to myself, okay, what are you going to do with this leftover food, you know? And he said, well, what he said? Well, he said, well, of course, you know, these restaurants, whatever they can use back in next, they will do that, right? And he said he would throw away the food, and that really kind of like appalled me, you know. Am I using the right word here? Appalled me that, you know, they will throw away all this leftover food. And the video I was watching is places like in USA and in the UK. I know there are a lot of places where in these countries there are homeless people. There are breakfast sheds, or how do you say, breakfast shed, or places where you can get a meal, where these homeless people can get a meal, right, a full meal. So I'm thinking, well, why don't you take these leftover food to these places like these, right? And the gentleman is saying that they will throw away the food, you know. So this really had me like shaking down. I'm very concerned about it, you know. I mean, come on. These are just my thoughts. Like, this is just my thoughts, what I think about it, you know. And I just feel like, you know, they should make some kind of extra effort to, instead of throwing away the food, donate it to a place that really, really needs the food, you know. Don't throw away the food. There are people out there who needs the food, you know. So I would like, just let me know what you think about this, and in the comment section below, and what your thoughts about this, you know. Also, to have you eaten in these sort of places with all you could eat buffets and stuff, you know. Quite interesting, but you know, there's only so much at least I could eat. Okay, just share my thoughts with you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to subscribe button. In doing so, get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.